Stop wasting time searching random links. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO safely. No viruses, no fake sites. Go to the official Microsoft website. Search for Windows 11 ISO download. Scroll down to download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select Windows 11 and click Confirm. Choose your language and click Confirm. Download the 64-bit version. Now that we've downloaded Windows 11, the next step is to download VirtualBox. Follow along with me step by step, and you'll find all the download links in the description. Follow along with me step by step, and you'll find all the download links in the description. Now go to Oracle and download VirtualBox. Install it with default settings. Follow along with me step by step, and you'll find all the download links in the description. Open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Set the name, the RAM, the CPU, and the disk. Follow along with me step by step. Now we're going to fix the compatibility issue. Click on Start, then open the command prompt as administrator and run the commands exactly as I show you. You'll find them in the description as well. Just follow me step by step. Follow exactly what I'm doing. Now we'll go back to VirtualBox. Start the machine and begin the installation. Follow the same steps with me. It might take a few minutes for Windows to install, so just be patient, and we'll continue once it's done. And just like that, Windows 11 is installed and ready to use as a virtual machine. Now you can run it alongside Kali Linux. If you haven't installed Kali yet, make sure to check the video on my channel. This setup lets you practice networking, testing, and cybersecurity safely without risking your main system.